What's up guys, yet another round of images of the upcoming Galaxy S22 Ultra in the wild has arrived. As before, this isn't a real phone but rather a dummy, but it nonetheless serves the purpose of illustrating what the phone will look like. It would be nice to see a set of images of the real Galaxy S22 Ultra only to see the proper cameras in their places. But still, here's a look at the silver variant of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. The S Pen is also present in its body holster. Tipster @HyperArc22 has also published images of the black variant of the Galaxy S22 Ultra on Twitter. While it is clear that these are the images of dummy units of the smartphone, as I already said, it is still great to have a look at the upcoming smartphone in its flesh. Samsung has completely moved away from the camera island-like design element, something that was introduced with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. The Galaxy S22 Ultra features an LG velvet-like design. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has squared off edges and a boxy look, making it a spiritual successor to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The phone has a large Super AMOLED Infinity O display with thin bezels and S Pen with a built-in slot and a USB Type-C port. The device has a matte finish on the rear, resisting fingerprints from appearing. In related news, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will have a 1TB variant. This is the first 1TB Samsung phone since the 12GB plus 1TB Galaxy S10 Plus back in 2019. Currently, there are a handful of 1TB phones, the iPhone 13 Pro and the 13 Pro Max and the expected Realme GT2 Pro. It's unclear whether Samsung will pack some video-centric features with the 1TB variant. Apple's 13 Pro series can capture ProRes 4K at up to 30 frames per second with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB models and 1080p at 30 frames per second for the 128GB model. So let's see what happens in the future. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, peace out.